What are the Pinterest tasks you need to do daily in order to keep your account growing and bringing in more website visitors and sales? Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about social media marketing for business, so if you're interested, make sure to subscribe. This video is part 7 of an 8-video series for Pinterest for beginners. If you want to check out the whole series, you have the link down below. So in today's video, we're going to talk about what daily tasks you need to do on Pinterest to keep your account growing every single day. So let's begin with number 1, pinning unique pins on your profile every single day. I suggest posting from 2 to 3 unique pins of your product. Even if you're a blogger, entrepreneur, I suggest promoting your content with pins or your products, at least 2 or 3 unique pins per day. You might think, okay, but this is so hard to achieve. How do I do that? It takes me so much time to create Pinterest templates and create pins. But in today's video, I have a special offer for you for my 65 plus Pinterest templates for bloggers, entrepreneurs, digital creators, online business owners. And besides those 65 plus Pinterest templates, you also get 3 bonuses in which you can also find idea pins templates and pin templates for your YouTube videos or video content. You can find the special offer down below. It is only available for 2 weeks, so hurry up. So creating these unique pins have helped me grow the most, because how else would people go to your website and see your content and then find your products, your services, and all that? They need to have links or things to click on for them to go to your website, right? So the most important thing for you is to get your content out there for people to find it and find your business. Another really cool thing about this is that they have a really big lifespan, unlike other social media posts. So posting these regularly and every day will increase your chances at getting found in Pinterest search and in the home feed of other people if you optimize your Pinterest account right. To learn how to optimize your Pinterest account, check out the first few videos of this series. You can also check out this post on Instagram I just did about 5 mistakes that you're doing on Pinterest that are keeping you from growing. It is really insightful, so make sure to check it out. The second task is following new people in your niche daily. You don't have to follow 100 people daily, just follow 2-5 people that have the same niche as yours, or that your audience will also appreciate their content, basically. Because this way you show Pinterest what you're interested in as a business, and you will start recommending your content to others as well. Also, every single day you need to be active in Tailwind Communities and repin pins from there as well, so you can keep your account active. The third daily task that you need to do for your Pinterest growth is to pin from the home feed or pin popular pins on Pinterest into your own board. So I usually pin at least 5 to 10 pins per day from the home feed. And then another thing you can do is go to the search bar, search a popular topic, let's say Instagram marketing, and repin into your own boards about that topic at least 2 or 3 pins. This will again show Pinterest that the pins you're adding in that specific board are about Instagram marketing, because you've searched that term and then you pin those pins. And then when you add your own pin into your own board about Instagram marketing, Pinterest will take it as a pin about Instagram marketing and you will recommend it to others as well. The next task that you need to do every 2 weeks, let's say, is create a new Pinterest board, optimize it for SEO, and add pins to it. That is only if you have a list of boards that you need to create that you haven't yet created, and you created a few in the beginning and now you want to spread them out. If you're done creating relevant boards, you don't have to create 1,000 boards. That will not help your profile at all. If you're creating boards and you're not being active and you're keeping only 5 pins in that board and not actually pinning in there regularly, that will not help at all. So I don't suggest creating more boards than you need. The fifth advice is that you need to check your analytics. Yes, check it daily, because that can help you understand what is working on your account, which pins are getting traction and which are not, which pins are doing well because they're well optimized for SEO. You can check your analytics for how many pin clicks you got, and that way you know that the graphic is a good one because it stood out in home feeds, it stood out in Pinterest search, and it got to Pinterest search, so you know that it got Pinterest clicks because of that. But you can also know that you've optimized the description right and you made people go to your website if you have a lot of outbound clicks on that pin. So make sure to write this down in your file. For this, you can use my Pinterest workbook right here. I've used it all throughout this series, and at the end of this Pinterest workbook, you have a growth tracker available to track your growth and your analytics. I'm not sure if you see anything, but right here there is a growth tracker in which you can write everything from engaged audience, monthly viewers, outbound clicks, and everything else, so you can keep track of your growth. You can check out the Pinterest workbook in the description below, and you can use code Pinterest for 20% off. Another really important thing you need to do if you are a verified Pinterest merchant, you will need to also keep track of your conversion insights. You can see how many people clicked add to cart because they've seen your product in your pins and they went to your website and purchased your product. You can see your interested audience in your product, and you can see the average selling price as well. Again, it is very important to keep track of your growth because first, it motivates you to keep going because you see progress, but second, you can see where your traffic is coming from, and it can help you understand what type of content you need to create more of. So that was it for today's video, in which I tell you what tasks you need to do on a day-to-day basis to keep your account growing. Remember, it takes about 3 months to see real results from Pinterest, so don't give up. If you want to grow your Pinterest account but don't have the time, I'm a Pinterest virtual assistant and I can help you grow your Pinterest account from scratch. So my Pinterest services are down below if you are interested. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such videos every single week. And you can also follow me on Instagram at lydia.incomingsuccess for more unique content every single day. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.